Sooner or later, every pianist will be playing scales, as an exercise or as a part of a composition. So here comes some advice how to improve the quality and velocity of your scales. Start with just one octave and check the fingering. Right hand and the left hand. Pay attention to the thumb, it shouldn't be too heavy. It is this movement, so you have some space for your thumb. You could also practice it like this. You play first 3 notes as a cluster and then you do this movement. So you give some space for your thumb. It will be easier for you afterwards. Another exercise is called add one note. It looks like this. This exercise gives you some time to think about what finger is next and to get used to playing scales. Another exercise is to play with the metronome. You choose 60 BPM, 60 beats per minute, and start playing a scale with the quarter notes first. If you have a feeling that one octave is already too easy for you, let's move forwards. Now we play 2 octaves and the notes in the scale are the 8 notes. Congratulations! The next level is with 16 notes. Another advice would be to change the strategy. Usually we practice more the ascending scales rather than descending scales. So start practicing with a descending scale first. Because usually the ascending scales are played way more often. So please start practicing with a descending scale, then both directions will be played equally well. The next strategy would be to practice blind. So close your eyes and then play the scale. Your fingers will be more attentive to the keys. Practice the scale staccato. By the way, it's very important to mention that the C major scale might look easier to start with because it has no black keys, but it's the most difficult one to play. These fingers are longer and they need to be in a very uncomfortable position in order to be playing the scale. So the thumb and the pinky are short and then the 3 middle fingers are long. Frédéric Chopin recommended to start with the B major scale or E major scale, because these 2 scales are most comfortable for a hand. Just look how perfect it fits the fingers. I hope it was useful. There are many more ways to practice scales, and I will share it with you in the next videos.